Hey everybody, Mr. A here with Tuesday's Tech Tip of the Week. Today we're going to talk about two different ways or techniques you can use to efficiently research and record information simultaneously. One way you can do that is basically by setting up a split screen. So you can do that by dragging a window or tab to the right and then doing the same thing to the left, or using on your Chromebooks the keys Alt and either right bracket or left bracket to dock it to that side. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on my computer when I drag. So if you take the window and you drag it to the right, you're going to see it sort of push it all the way to the right. It'll push it to the midway point of the screen. If you do the same thing to the left, it will do that as well. And now I've got a split screen, so I could be looking at, let's say, a website on one side and typing into a doc on the other. Now, another tool you may not know that exists is in Google Docs. There's this little thing called Explore. It's also in Slides, and it's an icon you see here. So that's another option you have where you can actually do searching right within Google Docs in the sidebar window. Topics will populate automatically, so if you have some text in there, it will do a smart search to determine what it is you might be looking for. And you also can drag images right in, and you can add footnotes for your sources as well. So here's a document that I had for a documentary from the BBC on world populations. And so you'll see in just a moment as it goes back. What it does is when you go click on the Explore tool, over on the right side margin here, you can see it's pulled different topics that show up, or related topics. And so I can search the web within this browser that way. I can also look at related images and just drag them right over and they'll go right in. And you also can, if you have information that's pulled from a source, if you click on the little quote, it will add a footnote. And so you've basically cited the source of your information using that tool. So now you know two different techniques to efficiently research and record information at the same time. And for Tuesday's Tech Tip of the Week, I'm Mr. A.